Pwede mag-doktor. Mamatay na ang pasyente. You see that? Magugus kita, UP, science atong anak, pa-eskwelahon dito. Ayaw in town. Or when the school says no. Mag-proud man ko if my child would graduate in this school. No. Is it for you or for your child? I-post din na itong mga grado. You know that you're exposing your child to stress. Maluwitas mga bata. And I think acceptance is the key. No? So, unsaon naman lang to ako, duha ka adlaw niya, 1 day, 1 hour, paita, mag-apasta ani. Transfer the child to another school. Ayaw dito. Okay? So what happens to the superior IQ child and the above average? Muna to siya magkusi-kusi, mag-drawing-drawing. But unknowingly, the teachers are not aware that they have very high IQ. Muna sila mga tulisan, mga kawatan. May kawatan na bugo. Mga scammer. Why? Because the school failed to educate them. Nakipat-kipat man sa mata sa teacher, kaya masad siya kasabot. So if the child has critical thinking skills, they may sound philosophical. Pilosopo kayo ba? No, they might correct the child, but let's not be intimidated. Let's just listen to the child. Oh, this child must be really smart. Gifted perhaps. But they just need to hone their emotional intelligence. Tutuan lang nato, no? To balance it.